Well, I did not think this was possible, but the movie Back to the Future came out 40 years ago in 1985. I remember seeing it in the theater. The first time I ever felt old was when I heard The Power of Love playing on the radio. I was driving around somewhere, I heard The Power of Love, and then they came on and said, blah, 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 oldies. No, that's not possible. So anyways, 1985, Back to the Future, starring Michael J. and Christopher. All right, we have a few people that are old enough to have seen it. That's good. All right, very good. We're going to play the theme written by Alan Silvestri, who has written music for dozens and dozens of movies. Won an Oscar for his music for Forrest Gump. This is Back to the Future.
Thank you.